Alright everyone, as Bitcoin is consolidating here in this video, I'm going to show you why we have more downside. I'm going to show you a couple options of how we get there and my price targets. As you know, I am short right now. If you've been watching my previous videos, this should be no surprise to you. We took profits on the way down, but we're still in a pretty good position. And I'm going to show you what I'm looking for to take profit on this short, and some things I'm watching out for. It's going to be an important video, guys. Stay tuned. Let's zoom out real quick, or zoom in, get a better view for you. If you're new to the channel, I use Elliott wave theory to come up with high probability trades. I only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I leverage trade them. That's what we do, baby. Hyper focus on those two coins, hyper focus on leverage trading and Elliott wave, as well as some indicators. If you want to learn how I trade, free Discord pinned in the first comment down below. I do have a free Elliott wave course and exactly how I trade right there in the free Discord for you. That is pinned in the first comment down below. Also, drop a follow on Instagram. I am showing my life over there on Instagram, as well as some trading motivation, and I will be showing my sexy little face over on Instagram. So drop a follow. I need to let these followers build up a little more before I do the face drop. I'll see you over on Instagram, pinned in the first comment down below. Let's get into it. Yeah, I mean, if you watched my previous video, I think it was 2 days ago, I told you 69K was what I was targeting for short. I alerted everyone in the premium Discord to swing short on Bitcoin, and we are all sitting in this right now. I do want to see lower prices, but I am torn right now. There's a couple different wave scenarios that can come into play, and I'll show you what to watch out for, so nothing takes you by surprise. Now, I'm just going to draw in the overall structure I want to see, and this is what I've been calling for, is just a zigzag right up in here, I want to come down here, and then I will be looking to take this to all-time high, and closing out at all-time high. I'm not going to play a big pump. This is just a simple swing trade up towards all-time high. I would be looking short in that region. Watch my previous videos for the longer time frame analysis if you missed it. This is just going to be medium small term. So this is the overall structure I'm looking at. Now, how this plays out in here is still up in the air, but I'll tell you what I am looking out for immediately. So let's see what's a good time frame. Maybe the hourly. What I see here is a corrective shape down from the high that we put in. Just looks corrective to me. I see a nice sharp corrective shape up. Now, what I would preferably like to see is a WXY put in. I would have loved to see an impulse if this came up a little higher to our 90% retracement, because then I can call it a flat. But we didn't get there. We stopped short. So I'm looking for more of a corrective shape down if this high is put in. And it's a big if. I'll tell you right now, if we go up and take this high out, I will be shorting this again. If I end up getting stopped out, I took profits down here already, guys. I'm good. If I get stopped out up here, so be it. I will enter short again up here, because I want to see lower. It has lower in it for me. I want to see a full shape finished. It just doesn't look finished to me. Unless you're saying this is your finished correction, you have an impulse up, correction down, and now we're zooming. Okay. But time-wise, it just hasn't. It's just a very short, very sharp correction if it's finished right there. Boom, boom. And then you're looking to break all-time high for sure if we pop out of here, in my opinion. I want to see down here, because then it lines up a nice corrective pattern where we can put in a correction up towards all-time high and reject all-time high, which is ultimately what I'm looking long-term. Now, analyzing this structure that we just put in, what I'm seeing is two main options from right here where we're at, and we're going to go over them in 1 second. As you know, guys, over in the premium Discord, I keep everyone posted with my swing alerts, scalp alerts. We live stream constantly, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. My indicators are all included. Right now, you get $25 off your first month with code JUNKIE. This code expires at the end of the month, so November 1st, it's done. If you want to give premium a try, head on into the free Discord, go to upgrade here, click the link, and sign up Use code Junkie for $25 off your first month. Now, I keep everyone updated in the premium Discord with exactly what I'm doing. I try to update you guys on these videos as frequently as I can, but things change quickly. They change quickly, and I am ever evolving my trades as price action dictates what the wave pattern is. So, option one is, this is our start wave. We have a correction up. We have a correction down that actually retraced to 90%. We have a 90% retrace on our hands. As you can see, it hit it perfectly. I wouldn't be surprised if this is a flat and we have a correction up, correction down to 90%. You would expect an impulsive wave to the upside for a flat. There's scenarios where this high breaks and we can still come down to these targets. It's very complex wave structures, and I'm not entertaining them right now. Simplicity is key for me, and this is what I'm looking at. You know, you can pull fibs to get a more accurate target, probably the 1-to-1 here at 69.140. Now, you guys saw I am sitting in my short. I'm sitting short. I have not closed this out, but if we get a wave structure like this, 5-wave impulse up to 69.100, I will be shorting that point. I will be shorting that point, probably stop loss right above this. Look to take a nice big wave down, because at that point we will have retraced 90% of this wave, and we have a correction down, a correction up that retraced 90%. You would look for an impulsive wave to the downside. Very fast, very vicious. That's a short that I want to be in. So that is option one. Option two says that this correction is finished. We did actually correct this move. It is done right here. That's why I'm short right here. That's why I'm short right here, because there's a good possibility of this being the case as well. And in this situation, we have a correction down. That's a corrective wave. I would be looking for another corrective up, teasing a breakout back into this zone. And then we can correct down again for a WXY. So we have overall, boom, 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 our correction there, and we do come down to these targets. Either way, it is no surprise I am looking at these levels in here around 63 to 64K for me to swing long up to all-time high. I'm just not pumped about longing this level. It doesn't get me going. Down here would do it for me, and I would long up to all-time high down here, or look for longs. So in this situation, it's more of a WXY look. If this decides to retrace all the way up to the 90%, you can say boom, boom, and an impulse down in the form of a flat, right? So it all depends on how high this actually wants to go here. Do we just retrace not up to the 90%? Then I would be looking for a corrective wave down. If we hit at least the 90% or the 1-to-1, I'd be looking for an impulse down. If we break up above this, I'm looking for the 90% of this wave or the 1-to-1 impulse down. I'll be looking short at all of these levels depending on what the wave structure is telling me, smaller time frame. I can't tell you right now what it's going to do unless I see the wave structure play out. That's why it's important to be in the premium Discord, guys, because I'm constantly posting updates as to what I'm seeing the wave structure do. So nothing takes you by surprise there. So as of right now, I am sitting in my short, and I'm happy to be sitting in this short over on Blowfin. If you guys want to give Blowfin a try, there no KYC. It's what everyone's using to trade on now. For the Chart Junkie community, we do have this campaign hooked up. This ends at the end of the month. So sign up now. Pinned in the first comment down below is the link. You get these initial deposit bonuses, which are huge depending on how much you deposit. And then you also get the trading volume bonuses as well. So depending on how much you trade, you get those bonuses as well. This is the best promotion that they're running right now. Go try to find a better one. I dare you. I absolutely annoy Blowfin for the best promotions, and I'm proud of it. So pinned in the first comment down below, you sign up with your email, and you're ready to trade on Blowfin. That ends at the end of this month. But I'm happy to be sitting in the short. If it comes up and stops me out, I do not care. I will look to re-enter at a good entry point. But as of right now, what I'm hoping for is we just get a slight little correction like this, and then we come back down. That's what I'm hoping for. This right here looked dumpy. I would have loved to see this keep going, retrace, keep going. But I did close out some of my position here in case this wanted to be an ABC, which it does look like it is. So that's where I'm at, guys. I just want to give you a little update on what the wave structure is doing for BTC. Long story short, I'm looking down here 63, 64K before really any serious longs up to all-time high for me. I don't think the bottom's in here. It could be. Anything's possible. I'm just not playing that. All right. So, again, I'm just a dude. Take that with a grain of salt. But I hope you got something out of this video. Smash the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates. We're not stopping. Let me know how you... Dude, leave a comment down below if you fuck with the new logo or not. I think it's badass. Do we like it? Thoughts? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Bye.